So as an importer, here is the reason why you need more than 1688 on your phone. Because this thing that I'm about to share with you now is will open your eyes to a lot of things. So welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. So like I'm saying, guys, I came across something and I would like to share it with you. So without wasting much of the time, so I was trying to buy a solar battery from China, guys. So like every other people, I go to my phone and I open my 1688 app. So I was looking for supplier and it took me like 2 days to look for this like a very good supplier that sell the exact solar battery I am looking for, guys. So I check everything and everything, like everything is okay. I was like, okay, let me just pay. So in the process of paying, then the local flights, when you want to pay, guys, the local flight won't add to your amount. It is when you click like buy now, then you now see the local flight. If you are buying a big product, I'm telling you. So after that, I click on it, then I now see that the local flight, like the local flight and the amount, when everything add up and everything sum up, guys, then I see that I need 6 yuan for it to complete my amount because the amount I have is short 6 yuan of the amount of the thing I want to put. So I was like, okay, no problem. So I now message my yuan seller. So when I messaged my RMB seller, guys, so she was not online during that time. So I was just like, well, I will just wait for her. So when she come online, she will see the message I've left for her. I was like, okay, no problem. So during the process of waiting, so I also want to get like wristwatch. So I was like, okay, let me just go to Pinduoduo, guys, because like if I want to get all this small small stuff like wrist chain, everything, I use Pinduoduo a lot for it. Even clothes, I use Pinduoduo, guys, because Pinduoduo is more like I even love Pinduoduo more than 1688. So I was like, okay, let me just go to Pinduoduo and look for it. So what during the process of looking for the rich thing I told you I wanted to get, then I was like, let me just search for this solar battery. Then I search for the solar battery, guys. I search for it. I see the exact solar battery that I saw on 1688 that I want to buy for cheaper, guys. Yes, for cheaper. I saw it and it was 70 yuan cheaper. And I check everything. Even Pinocchio has more picture review. I check everything, see everything. I was like, wow, this is exactly it, guys. I was like, well, this is where I'm going to be buying. Then I just buy the battery without even waiting for yuan seller again. Before I can buy more yuan, guys, no, I don't wait. I just buy from Pinocchio, guys. So that is the reason, like one of the reasons why you need to have more than 1688. So if it is only just 1688 that I have on my phone now, I will have to wait for the yuan seller, pay money, buy another yuan, guys. And one thing is that yuan seller don't even sell 6 yuan. They sell minimum of 100. Like they sell minimum of 100. So I will have to buy even 100. Then I will just have money in my Alipay that I don't even need. But for me going to Pinduoduo now and I compare the price, I was like, wow, this one is cheaper. Then I buy from Pinduoduo, guys. So that's one of the reasons, guys. So you need to have more than 1688. In fact, you need to have like 3 or 4. I also use Alibaba, but I'm not really big on Alibaba. So if you want to buy, what's it called? I use like 3 or 4. I use Alibaba, I use Taobao, I use Pinduoduo, and I use 1688. So before I was using Alibaba to buy some clothes, like because Alibaba sell quality t-shirt, guys. So if you want to buy t-shirt, I use Alibaba then. But then I found out about Taobao. So now I'm using Taobao to buy t-shirt because Taobao is mainly for all these t-shirts and everything. Yes, you can buy some other stuff on Taobao too, but I'll say Taobao is big on t-shirts, kids clothes and everything. So I use Taobao now to buy t-shirts instead of Alibaba. So I stopped using Alibaba because Alibaba and Taobao is way cheaper than Alibaba because Taobao too is just like 1688 and Pinduoduo. But Alibaba is more of an app for European buyers. So it's kind of expensive a bit compared to Taobao and the likes. So now I use Taobao, guys, and I'll tell you that Taobao is one of the best app right there, guys. So as an importer, like I said, you need more than 1680 unless if you are just buying goods for your personal use and everything. Even if you are buying for your personal use, you still need more than one app. Because tell me who will not buy goods for cheap? Of course, everybody will love to buy goods for cheap, guys. So that is one of the reasons, guys. And also, one thing about Pinduoduo that I also like a lot is that Pinduoduo, like, it is free local flights. Yes, you don't have to pay for local flights. Unlike 1688, you have to pay for local flights. You have to pay for, yes, that's just it. You have to pay for local flights. But on Pinduoduo, you don't need to pay for local flights. And also one thing I also love a lot about Pinduoduo is that every goods on the app has picture review. Yes, you will see exactly what you are looking for like this. You will see the picture. So that's one of the sweetest thing like Pinduoduo guys. Because on Pinduoduo you will see pictures review, but on 1688 some products will have pictures review and some products will not. In fact, mostly the products on 1688 will not have pictures review. There will like some will even have reviews, but there will not be pictures review. But on Pinduoduo, it's just like let me just say it's just like they force their buyer to put pictures review on the product. So you will see a lot of pictures review on Pinduoduo, and that's one of the best things, guys, because you will see exactly what you want to buy like this. You will see it, guys. So that's also one advantage Pinduoduo have over 1688, guys. And there are a lot of things on Pinduoduo that you will even enjoy the app, guys. But I will say this, as I see it cheaper on Pinduoduo, there are also some products that you will see that are very expensive on Pinduoduo. But if you go to 1688, you will see it cheaper there. So that's why you need to have more than one app, guys. Because now, if you have two apps, if you search here and you check the price, then you search on the second app, and then you check the price, then you will compare it, guys. So the one that is cheaper, you buy from that. You buy from there, guys. So that's just one of the sweetest thing about importation that you need to do, guys. So if you are still watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. And thank you a lot for watching, guys. And see you next time.